Hello my dear students, in this video we will learn how we can easily add slow motion and fast motion effect in our any video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already have added a sample video clip in timeline and here it is. Our video is 18.7 seconds long. Now if you want to add slow motion effect in this video clip, then process is actually pretty simple. From timeline, select your video clip and click on this little speed icon. By default, video speed is selected as normal. Now I click on this drop down menu and choose slow. And if I hover over the mouse, here you can see our video length is now 37.3 seconds. Now let's play this clip. Super cool slow-mo, right? Now if you want to add more slow motion effect or a little bit less slow motion effect, then use this percentage. 50%, 25%, 10%, and this time here you can see our video length is 3 minutes and 1 second. Now I select auto, and because of this our video length is going back to normal. Actually you can easily add slow motion effect in another way. Simply select your clip from timeline and click on this little speed icon, and then here you can see a line. Simply select and click on this little circle and drag it to the right to make your video clip slower. And also you can see the video length in the very left of your clip. Now I increase my video length and set it in 35 seconds. Makes sense, right? Now if you want to add fast motion effect in your video clip, then simply select your clip and from speed drop down, click fast. Now our video length is 9.3 seconds. Let's play this clip. Awesome. Now if you want to add more fast motion effect in your video clip, then simply click on this little circle and holding this circle, click and drag it to the left. So basically in this way you can easily add super slow-mo or fast motion effect in your any video clip using iMovie. Thank you so much for watching.